why you're crying? You have to go out? Do you have to go out? Huh? Go by the door and say out. Come on. Go by the door and say out. I love you. I love you. I love you. Can you say, I have to go out? Alright. Come on. Go out. Oh yeah? What else do you have to say? Hurry up. Uh-huh. You gonna go pee-pee? Oh, he's a good boy. Alright. You got poop? Okay. Say, I gotta go poopies.